So you guys, what's happening? So today we are going to talk about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level interpreted language. What do you mean by high-level interpreted language? Like you write 1,000 code, and among the 1,000 code, there is too much error, too much. In one mean if when they are checking, and if there is one error, then the JavaScript will show one error, and then they will stop generating. If there is another problem in another line, so it will be not checked. So that is Java interpreted language. After that, when it was invented in 1995 by Netscape. So you know about that. So now let's move to another one. Advantage of JavaScript. So if there is JavaScript, what is the advantage of it? We can use another programming language also. But why one advantage of JavaScript? Because it is so simple, and then speed. It has so speed to write means it is speed, and then interoperability, server load, popularity means so much popular, interactivity. So what do you mean by interoperability? It means by of JavaScript there is two more language. If we combine them, so it will make a web programming like HTML and CSS. If JavaScript, HTML and CSS will combine, then it will be make a web programming language. Disadvantage of JavaScript: lack of strong typing. It has so much type means code. Code maintainability, learning curve means it's hard to learn. Security concerns mean it does not have that much security. Browser compatibility. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.